Over the Horizon 2020 ringtone. And then next is 2022. And no, not the 2022 Over the Horizon. We're gonna do the voyage next. And then you hung up your call. You can do whatever you want. And it says you can go to your call assistant and go here and go to ringtone and go find. Oops. I'm gonna put this in. Okay, guys. All my videos are confused with the Over the Horizon ringtones. And then you have your throat and it just raises in and your video is collected now. So thank you for watching this video with incoming call. You have to go and you can go through all my videos. I have like 8 videos now. So I happen to be on your baby. So go through my videos also. Okay? Whenever you want. Bye bye. See you later.